In this video, I'm going to show you how to get age progression filter on TikTok. So this is actually pretty simple, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you something. So we're going to be using this particular picture right here. This is actually just a picture I got from Google. And so yeah, let's begin. Let's go ahead and open TikTok. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and just click this plus sign right here. And then we're going to go ahead and choose photos. So as you can see, that's the image, right? What we are going to do is basically find the filter. So let's just go ahead and swipe here. There you go. And then we're going to go ahead and click view all effects. And from here, there is the search icon. So we're going to click that one. And then from here, we're just going to go ahead and type aged. All right, there you go. So that's aged filter. I'm just going to go ahead and click that over there. And the moment I do that, it should apply right away. As you can see, that person has become or has aged now. So yep, that is how simple it is. You can go ahead and capture a photo, or it could be a video even. So the choice is yours. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.
If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.